Now, let's test your knowledge. Complete the following sentences using this or that. Remember, things that are close by use the word this. Things that are farther away use the word that. The telephone is very nearby. So, will you use this or that? This, because it's nearby. This is my telephone. Notice how the guitar is farther away from the hand. Will you use this or that? That. That is your guitar. It's because it's far away. Now, choose the correct answer for this picture. This is a pen. How about this one? Will you choose this or that? That is a book. How about this next one? That is his sofa. This is her balloon. This is my basketball. That is his cup. Great job. How is that test? How did you do? Now, in this portion of the test, we are going to create sentences. So, you can create your own kind of sentences. Let's take an object. So, a backpack. Now, you can create the sentence. We can put the hand close to the backpack or we can keep it far away. You can decide. But the point and the objective of this exercise is to help you create sentences. If we put the hand close to the backpack, then we can make a sentence like, this is a backpack. Or you can say, this is my backpack, or this is your backpack. Now let's look at this object. A cake. Where are you going to put the hand? And if you put the hand close or far, what will the sentence become? So, let's say, for example, you chose to put the hand near the cake. It will become, this is a cake, or this is your cake. You can also say, this is my cake. Here's our next object. A dog. So, let's create a sentence. If you put the hand near, what kind of sentence would you like to make? This is a dog. This is his dog. This is your dog. Now let's move the hand away. That is a dog. That is your dog. That's my dog. Let's do one more. A shirt. Let's move the hand far. Okay, so what kind of sentence do we have now? That is a shirt. That is my shirt. That is your shirt. Now let's move the hand close. This is a shirt. This is my shirt. This is his shirt. Okay, I think you get the idea, right? Now we are going to learn about abstract ideas and using this and that in an abstract form.